Hi, it's Terry Edwards here, Renegade Recruiter, and we're the guys that recruitment and search firm owners come to when they want to make more placements at higher fees. And I just want to quickly share an experience with you. This very moment I'm in Los Angeles. I'm just over here for a few days on the conference, and something happened to me last night that I think that we can all learn from, in particular recruiters and search firm owners when it comes to fees. So very quickly, a group of us were arranged to meet in the bar last night, and myself and Drew got to the bar, and we got there early. I went to the bar and I bought 2 drinks. I sat down. About 15 minutes later, the other guys came in. So if you can picture the scene, there's 6 of us, and I then offered to buy to get the next round. So Drew and I were the only 2 English guys there, and the 4 Americans. Went back to the bar, waiting at the bar. It's now got a bit busier, and I've been there some time. And one of my colleagues came in and he said, "You seem to be at the bar for a long time." And I said, "Yeah, for some reason, the barman is now ignoring me." And he said, "When you bought your first drink, did you give him a tip?" I said, "No, I didn't. Because in the UK, if you go to a bar and you buy a drink or whatever, you don't tip the barman for it. Apparently, it's not the case in America." He said, "That's why you're not getting served now. See, from the barman's point of view, there are other people in this bar who he will serve who will give him a tip. He knows from experience that last time he served me, I didn't give him a tip. Yeah. So he's not given me any priority whatsoever." But there's a lesson there, I think, for all of us. You see, I know that you as a recruitment or search firm, and every now and then, let's say every now and then, probably the majority of the time, hiring managers are forcing you down your fees and trying to get a lower fee for the candidate. And it's worth asking them this question, asking the hiring manager this question. "Tell me, Mr. Hiring or Mrs. Hiring Manager, if you're going to pay me a fee, but your competitor's going to pay me a higher fee, if you're in my shoes, what would you do with the best candidates?" Because you as an owner or director of a recruitment search firm, it's your duty, it's your obligation to make as much money as possible. So why would you give a good quality candidate to a hiring manager who's going to give you a lower fee? Why would that bar person serve me where he knows he can serve other people who are going to give him a tip? And from previous experience, I wasn't going to give him a tip. And I just thought I'd share that with you because it's a really useful lesson that, it's not always to the hiring manager's advantage to be driving down the recruiter and trying to get the lowest fee. Because if you get the lowest fee, doesn't mean you're going to get the best candidates, and it's worth having that conversation with the hiring manager. Look, if you're a recruitment search firm owner and you're sick and tired of getting your fees driven down, and you'd like to discover how you can get higher fees and make more placements, simply send me a personal message, and I'll share with you exactly how you can do that. So send me a personal message, and I'll share with you exactly how you can get higher fees and make more placements and increase your personal earnings. Look forward to speaking to you real soon.